The time from the microprocessor invention in the 70s until the dot-com bubble explosion was 30 years. In her book The Technological Revolution and the Financial Capital, Peretz is introducing the concept of cycles in inventions, in economies, and in new technologies. This book was released at 2002, just after the dot-com bubble. In this book, she introduces us to multiple revolutions. The first was the Industrial Revolution in 1771 in Great Britain. The second is the steam rail, the third is the steel, the fourth is the oil as energy source revolution, and the fifth is the current one, the information and tech revolution. In her book, the two main concepts is one, that there is always repeating in all these revolution and technologies an installation period of about 30 years, which we have seen also in the information and technological age, which started in the 1970s until the 2000s, a bubble bust. However, after this bust, after these 30 years of technological installations, there comes the deployment of the technology. So first you install the railways. First you install the steam. First you install the industrial infrastructure, or first you install the places and the oil and the infrastructure for all. And currently, first you install the microprocessor, and then it takes about 30 years to install the new technology. And after you have finished installing it, there comes the golden age of the deployment, the actual usage of the technology. We can think also today of the cloud infrastructure that people can use as the installation period, and then comes the period of the deployment and the golden age. There is still a lot to be actually deployed on the current early installations of artificial intelligence, of Internet of Things, of 3D printers, of robots, and of the blockchain, which is also at the early phases of the installations. So the process is this: we have an installation, a crash, and then a golden age. And then the golden age with the deployment allows for new installations. Once you have a mass production of automobiles, then people can live far, and then you need again the mass production of houses. In the late 1930s, when we have finished the installation of mass production, the mass production was used actually at war in order to build many killing machines, and later on it was adopted by the creation of many houses and automobiles. There is a small window of opportunity if you manage to identify the installation period. It's not so clear. In this installation period, it's very early. We cannot really understand the potential of this new technology, and also countries not always align with it. In this phase, China can jump on the bandwagon of the information and technology and not lose behind, as was in the mass production area, where only Europe and the United States were able to jump on this bandwagon. Also, the governments identify the installation period and join it in synergy at the end of the installation period. Right now, at the end of the COVID, the government understood the potential of work for home. After the 9/11, the government understood the potential of technology in the NSA, And there comes the synergy, and this is another indicator that we have finished the installation period and we are coming into the deployment or the golden age period of the new technology.